Hi again, readers. So, now that we've gotten to know our character so well, we're ready for part 2. Part 2 of our unit is all about taking on challenges with the character, taking on challenges together. So today what I want to teach you is that readers don't just know that characters will face problems, but readers can anticipate that characters will face problems. Anticipate is a big word that just means you can predict what might happen. Readers, you already know how to do this kind of thinking in your own life. Let's think back to being on the playground. You know how to anticipate or predict what kinds of problems might happen. Imagine that there's a basketball lying on the court and two of your friends see it at the same time. I think maybe there could be a little bit of an argument over who gets the ball first, until they learn how to maybe play rock, paper, scissors, or just share and take turns. But you know how to anticipate when a problem might arise. And that's the same kind of thinking that we're going to do when we read our chapter books. You ready to see how it works? So we're going to jump back into our book, Meet Yasmin. We've already read about Yasmin the Explorer and Yasmin the Painter. Now we're going to read Yasmin the Builder. Now, as a reader, I can anticipate potentially what problems might happen. Yasmin the Builder. I'm already starting to think that she might have a problem building something. So let's read and find out. Chapter 1, a new project. Miss Alex walked into the class with a big box. We're going to build a city today, she announced. The students were very curious. They all crowded around Miss Alex as she opened the box. There were tubes and tape, long sticks, and round wheels. There were connector circles in bright colors, red, blue, yellow, and green. Yasmin watched as Miss Alex spread the building parts all over the reading rug. When can we start? Allie asked. He reached for a long stick. Not yet, replied Miss Alex. First, you'll draw your idea on paper. That way, you'll know what supplies you will need. Boring, said Allie. Yasmin slowly pulled a paper from her desk. She doodled. She sketched. She sighed. Readers, do you see the way the author used that language of sighed? That's an indication that she might be facing a problem. I wonder if she's going to be stuck about what to create. How would these pieces on the floor turn into a city? She didn't know what to make. A roller coaster, an apartment, a zoo? So one of the first problems she's facing is a decision. What should she do? So readers, do you see how when I was reading, I was able to anticipate? I bet she's going to have a problem with building. And when I was looking at the author's words, I noticed that the author was showing me in the language that there was a problem about to come up. That's the same kind of work that you're about to do. So when you go off to read today, be on the lookout and anticipate some of the problems that your character might face. Instead of just putting a sticky note in your book, we'd love to see what your problems are if you would record something with the platform that your teacher uses. You can share your book, share about your character, and some of the problems that you're seeing. All right, off you go.